How to upload WhatsApp status without losing quality. So first is to launch the WhatsApp application. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you will find three icons, one of which is the camera icon. Tap that icon. So in here, you can either create your own video or picture, or you can browse your gallery. So to browse your gallery, just tap the icon, which you can find on the lower left portion of your screen, if your desired photo or video is not found in this area. Now select the photo or video that you want to upload. And now on the upper right portion of your screen, you will see again icons. Now one of the icons is the HD icon. So when you tap the HD icon, this prompt will appear providing you with two options. Now select HD quality. Now tap the send button, which is found on the lower right corner, and then select my status. And now hit the send button, which is also found on the lower right corner. And so that is how you upload WhatsApp status without losing quality. Thank you and have a great day.